Air cannons have been a successful part of solving buildup problems in many industrial applications. But times change and air cannons must change also. But has the air cannon technology kept up with today's needs? We don't think so. Yesterday's air cannons are just that, yesterday's technology. We believe they should be compared to the payphone. It's just a matter of time before they all disappear. Today's air cannon from Dracyon is based on following the science. When you do this, the result is a more reliable and effective air cannon. In sand testing, today's air cannons move over 4 times more sand. We understand that sand is not the same as your buildup, but then again, power is power. Did you know that a 70-liter tank has over 4 times less cleaning energy than a 300-liter air cannon? Dracyon believes that you need the right nozzle and enough energy to extend the cleaning range. In other words, yesterday's air cannons just do not perform to today's needs. Yesterday air cannon OEMs tell you that the discharge must be as close to the nozzle as possible to maintain cleaning power. All air cannons will break down, but all air cannons are not easily and safely accessible.
And then if you look down here, this has 1, 2, at least three 290s. And the pipe is long and the volume here is not sufficient.
If it's worth the money to purchase an air cannon, then it's only smart to install it so that you can keep it in operation. Yesterday's air cannon suppliers will tell you the following setup will never clean. Seeing is believing. Perhaps they need to understand the relationship between peak force, cleaning energy, and nozzle design a little better. We are happy to discuss in detail the science of cleaning. You see the difference? What do you think? Today's air cannons have the following benefits. More cleaning power. We can clean in excess of 2.79 times greater area. The cleaning area increase in some applications may be greater, but this differs based on the material being cleaned. We can also adjust the operational cycle so that the duty cycle is less. Reliability is far greater. Why? Because we protect the air cannon from the environment. Operating the air cannon less equals greater reliability. Lower operational cost. Today's air cannons fill and fire, which eliminates the costly air leaks from each air cannon. The difference isn't even close when you include the right information. OEMs must start reporting the entire story instead of only the part that benefits them. Dracyon's nozzles include a 3-year life warranty. This is a vast improvement and is possible because of better use of materials and proper air cannon operation. If you desire to remain in the caveman era, that's your choice. But it's also your choice to demand more from your air cannons. Demand these simple devices and become reliable and effective. It will save you millions of dollars. Dracyon. We say it, we guarantee it.